what is a great seating experience and how can we deliver on a great and meaningfully different seating experience?
We wanted to create the absolute best chair on the market.
What the organization really looked for was to find the best fit, both in collaboration as well as the best eye and design. We found that in Bruce and in Continuum because they had never really designed a chair before.
It was exciting to work with a design firm that could bring a really fresh perspective to it and challenge us to think about it differently.
From what you see in the eye to what you feel in the body.
It's really about setting visual expectations and then delivering on them with physical interaction.
The product needs to be very simple and streamlined. We hear those words over and over.
What we were looking for was a very minimal, very clean, very sensuous kind of design aesthetic, very classic in a certain sense.
It's really typical of Allsteel to try to have as a goal that the thing do what it's supposed to do and do it really well. And so it's this great marriage between beauty and creating a terrific sitting experience.
One of our goals for Acuity was to have a really broad range of application.
I can make it look iconoclastic, I can make it look really neutral, all with the same beautiful object. And the jacket in particular can really be customized in lots of different ways to be able to turn it into a signature piece if that's what the designer is hoping to do.
There was a lot of research done on this chair because we wanted to make sure we did it right.
What were the things that they touched first? Where did they look first? How did they sit down in the chair? Taking that human aspect from the very start allowed the designers and the engineers to understand the whole purpose of the product.
When any user, meaning a large male or a small female, sits in the chair, it should feel like, oh, this seems to be right for me.
It's been really fun to watch customers try the chair out. The minute they sit down in it, their face changes, their eyes light up. It's just, frankly, delightful to watch them be delighted by the chair.
We wanted to have a kind of a wow factor when somebody sat in the chair and have that initial comfort, and a lot of that tied back into the back and having comfortable support as you sat into the chair and having it done in an intuitive way. That's really what AcuFit is all about.
Well, with AcuFit, I think what we have is the perfect combination of the seat and the back and all of the controls working together.
The thing I like about the Acuity is just the way that it molds to the people that sit in it and adapts to them.